With life as the highest priority, Chung Koon Dong insists on the business philosophy of developing high-quality pharmaceuticals and creating a disease-free society. Chung Koon Dong is committed to the pharmaceutical industry. Chung Koon Dong has gained unprecedented achievements. In 1941, Gungbon Pharmacy was founded as the largest raw material fermentation and synthesis factory in the East, with the mission of protecting national health during the period of reliance on imported pharmaceutical raw materials in the 1960s. This factory was not only able to make antibiotic raw materials and chloramphenicol, but also was the first to pass FDA certification in South Korea and export products to Japan, creating a precedent for overseas export. In 1972, an integrated research institute was established, which was a pioneer in Korea's domestic pharmaceutical industry, to take the lead in the development of domestic pharmaceutical industry and new drugs. Chung Koon Dong, one of the top pharmaceutical company in South Korea, keeps punching to expand assembly lines and sales every year. Chung Koon Dong produces and sells about 300 kinds of products, such as anti-hypertensive drug, diabetes drugs, immunosuppressive drugs, to create a better life for patients. Chung Koon Dong has developed cooperation with a number of multinational enterprises, thanks to its well-recognized product strength and achievements worldwide. On the basis of independent R&D, production capacity, and long-term proprietary technology, Chung Koon Dong will always take the lead and a pioneer in the medical industry with the mission to cure human diseases. Chung Koon Dong Cheonan Factory, the first to pass FDA certification in South Korea, has obtained relevant facilities certification from regulatory authorities in Japan, China, Southeast Asia, Brazil, Africa, and other countries in the world. The total scale is 146,296 square meters. The total number of factory workers, including quality team, is about 700. Our factory is fully equipped with production facilities for oral solid, oral liquid, injections, eye drops, and biological injections. Each dosage forms are manufactured under the Good Management System with the designated operators and facilities. With GMP-grade cephalosporin and penicillin production facilities, biological production lines, and global production facilities for finished pharmaceuticals, Cheonan Factory is a cutting-edge production factory that adopts automated logistics system of raw materials manufacturing, packaging, and delivery of finished products. To ensure high efficiency and high quality, the factory uses advanced test systems at each stage, and further brings into play the vital role of pharmaceutical production base. Chung Koon Dong has long recognized the importance of new drug development. It is the first in the industry to set up research institute and give research autonomy. It spares no efforts to foster research talents. Overall scale, 27,934 square meters. Number of employees, 360 people. Today, it is of paramount importance to strengthen globalizing forces and ensure the competitiveness of new drug development. For this reason, Chung Koon Dong decisively invests over 10% of annual sales as R&D expenditure to continuously increase research force and develop advanced research systems and equipment. CKD 510, an orphan disease therapeutic agent for Charcot-Marie tooth disease, is about to pass the EU clinical phase 1 trial and will undergo the global clinical phase 2 trial in 2022. In addition, CKD-702, a new CMET by EGFR dual antibody drug that hinders two targets, is now experiencing domestic clinical phase 1 trial and is planned to carry out global clinical phase 1 trial later. Besides, we have our own the Liquistal technology, an original sustained-released injection technology. The technology enables drug-containing liquid formulations to be converted into gels after injection and reaction with body fluids, so that the drug can be released continuously. The drug that uses this technology is undergoing the domestic clinical Phase 1 trial. Chung-Koon-Dong has successfully developed new anti-cancer drug, Camtobel, in 2003, and new diabetes drug, Duvia, in 2013. Better life through better medicine. Chung-Koon-Dong is determined to rise to the challenge as long as the people's dream and desire for health continue. Chung-Koon-Dong has now moved beyond South Korea and is going towards the world. The world's first NESP biosimilar Nespel developed by Chung-Koon-Dong has been exported to Japan and is preparing registration process for Southeast Asia and the Middle East. The completion of the first anti-cancer agent factory with halal certification in Indonesia marks Chung-Koon-Dong's official entry into the global market. With 80 years of growth and efforts, Chung-Koon-Dong is growing into the world's most powerful pharmaceutical enterprise. Chung-Koon-Dong stays with you all the time to embrace challenges for a better future. Better life through better medicine.